Welcome to Luca and Miguel. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to safely jack up your Infiniti Q50. First, prioritize safety by ensuring your vehicle is on a flat, stable surface. Always engage the parking brake and place wheel chocks behind the wheels that will remain on the ground. Remember, a jack is for lifting, not for holding. You must always use jack stands. Have your floor jack, at least 2 jack stands, and wheel chocks ready before you begin. Now let's locate the correct jack points. For the front, find the robust subframe directly behind the engine's plastic under tray. At the rear, the sturdy differential housing, often called the pumpkin, serves as an excellent central lift point. Additionally, there are reinforced pinch welds along the side skirts, typically marked with small arrows, which are suitable for individual wheel lifts or jack stand placement. Always refer to your owner's manual for precise diagrams. With your jack points identified, position your floor jack squarely beneath either the front subframe or the rear differential. Begin slowly raising the vehicle, ensuring the jack remains stable and the car lifts evenly. Once the vehicle reaches your desired working height, carefully slide your jack stands into position under the reinforced pinch welds or other designated frame points. Double-check that the jack stands are firmly seated and stable before gently lowering the vehicle onto them, relieving pressure from the floor jack. To safely lower your Infiniti Q50, first, slightly raise the vehicle with your floor jack, just enough to take the weight off the jack stands. Carefully remove the jack stands from underneath the car. Once the stands are clear, slowly and steadily lower the vehicle completely to the ground using the floor jack's release valve. After the car is fully on the ground, remove the floor jack and the wheel chocks. Finally, give your vehicle a quick visual inspection to ensure everything looks correct.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.